Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to the Beauty Show YouTube channel, a space where we honor the diversity, talent, and authenticity of the women reshaping the fashion industry. Today, we are excited to present to you the wonderful and remarkable Saterra St Jean, a model, digital creator, and entrepreneur from Canada, whose evolution from insecurity to empowerment has established her as a prominent figure in the Fullerbust and body positivity community. Known widely online as the Fullerbustbestie, she has developed her platform to assist women with larger busts in feeling acknowledged, supported, and self-assured in their own bodies. During her upbringing, she encountered significant struggles with body image due to her naturally large chest. With a bra size of 28K, she frequently felt uncomfortable, misunderstood, and burdened by society's restrictive beauty ideals. Like many young women grappling with body insecurity, she faced challenges with confidence and even contemplated breast reduction surgery during her teenage years. For an extended period, locating clothing that fit well and bras that provided genuine support seemed nearly impossible, resulting in frustration and emotional exhaustion. Her life began to transform when she recognized the importance of a proper bra fitting. This revelation not only enhanced her physical comfort but also shifted her entire outlook on self-image. Acknowledging that numerous women were confronting similar issues without guidance or representation, Saterra chose to publicly share her journey. She started producing content centered on Fullerbust fashion, bra education, and body acceptance, quickly connecting with audiences who had long felt neglected by the mainstream fashion and lingerie sectors. Utilizing platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, Saterra built a dedicated global following under her distinctive persona, Fullerbustbestie. Her candid, informative, and encouraging content empowered women to learn how to dress with confidence, discover supportive lingerie, and dismiss the shame associated with their natural bodies. Her impact extended beyond social media as she emerged as a champion for size inclusivity and authentic representation in the fashion industry. Driven to effect genuine change, Saterra co-founded Monsera, a lingerie brand tailored to cater to the needs of women with fuller busts. Her entrepreneurial initiative embodies her commitment to merging style, comfort, and accessibility for women who have often been overlooked by conventional lingerie brands. Today, Saterra represents more than just a model or influencer. She has become a beacon of confidence, education, and empowerment. By channeling her personal challenges into a broader movement, she continues to motivate countless women globally to accept their bodies, advocate for improved options, and redefine beauty according to their own standards.